It's a beautiful day. I've just got through watering all my mums and all my plants on the front porch, but we're getting ready to pull out and go to Georgia. Waiting on my mama to get here. But it is an absolute beautiful fall day today. And I'm feeling better. I'm not 100%, but I'm so much better, so that's a plus. And we're gonna go get to see the grandbabies. So I'm excited and can't wait to see them. But I wanted to show y'all, I got another pumpkin the other day at the thrift store. And I did a makeover on it like I did my other pumpkin. I'm gonna show y'all that real quick. I didn't go through the process of doing a haul or showing y'all how I did it because y'all have already seen how I do them, but I'll show you what it looks like now that it's styled. So there's my other pumpkin, that one right there. I got it, I paid $2.99. It was a little bit more than the other one. The other one there I paid $1.99, and that one I paid $1.99 for, but I like it. I did my little technique on it, painted it, waxed it, and there you go. And this is how everything is looking. And I love it. Like I said, I just watered everything, so that's why there's water everywhere. Mr. Buster. Waiting on Mama. Watered all my ferns. So, he's just waiting on Mama to get here. Bub, you waiting on Mama to get here? You gonna be a good boy? Going to eat at my favorite place. If I'm ever given a choice, this is what I pick. Huh, James? Crack a Barrel. Whoop, whoop.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together all the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey. Take. Walking around, you and me. The Christmas time's got the best.
When did Cracker Barrel get so fancy with the dishes? That's James's plate, and this is my plate. So fancy. James, they poured out the fine china for you. So lunch was amazing. It always is. I love Cracker Barrel. I know my friend T over at Paradise Point. She loves it too. Girl, 2 peas in a pod. Anyway, so now we are fixing to hit the road. James got him a tea to go. And we're gonna hit the road. So we'll be there in a bit.
down the moon and give that to stars and sun all separated, rainbow colors newly painted. I put it all in a paper bag for you. Have a nice day. All the gods and all the angels got them waiting at your table. 'Cause giving you my heart was not enough. One thing's true, I never asked for nothing more.
Good morning. This is slipped on hair. I didn't even brush it. I'm not putting on any makeup. I just threw on some clothes. We are headed back to Mississippi. James is in there grabbing him a bite to eat. It's early, and I got me a blanket and a pillow. I'm probably gonna sleep on the way home. I woke up with an earache this morning. Oh. But that's okay. It's a beautiful day. It's so nice and cool here. It's actually very chilly here. So, I can't wait to get these seat warmers on and get some heat going. But it's been a great trip. We had a good night. We got to spend time with the grandbabies. And then we come back to our room. We've got something to eat. Filled up the car so we could just head out first thing this morning. So we should get home around, probably around 12:30, 1 o'clock. So I'm excited to see my Buster. Mama said him and Bebe did so good. They're getting along great, which is good. I think they just got to get used to each other, and Baby's got to learn that she just can't go at him. Anyway, she said they're doing great. So haven't talked to her this morning. I keep watching to see when James is coming, but I haven't talked to her this morning, but I told her we'd be home around 12:30, 1 o'clock. So that'll give her time to get back to her house before it gets dark. So all in all, it's been a quick trip, but it's been a fun weekend, and I'm ready to be home. Ready to just be home and chill out and feel better. But James, y'all, I can't tell him that he was right, but James has been telling me, he's like, get you some NyQuil and take you some NyQuil. And I'm like, because, I mean, it's for cold and flu and stuff, and I don't have that. Mine is sinus pressure and pain and all that. He's like, I'm telling you, get you some NyQuil. Well, I've been taking NyQuil for the past 2 nights, and I do feel much better, but we can't tell James, so. But y'all wouldn't tell it by all these bags under my eyes. Oh, I'm just sleepy. Anyway, I'm just rambling now, so I'm going to get off of here and wait on him, and we'll catch up with y'all in a little bit.
Waiting for you in a town where I've always stuck around. It's always easy when I see someone waiting there for me. When there's a whole lot of love in a home from above. You take your coat off and raise that smile, the one unheard of for 1,000 miles. We share a future just like the past. The good and bad times are gonna last. Well, there's a whole lot of love in a home from above.
Okay, y'all. We've been home for about 4.5 hours. We took a nap. We passed out. Hence, why I look like this. But now I am making some apples. I've never done this before. I've had it before. My granny used to do it, but I had some apples that were ruining, and there was no way I was going to eat all those apples before they went bad. So I looked up a recipe, and I took they were little small apples. So I think there was like 6 of them, and I cut them up, sliced them, not real thin, but then I put a half a cup of light brown sugar, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg, and the apples, put it in a Ziploc bag, just covered them, and then I have a tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of water, and I've put it on top of the stove, and now I'm supposed to cook it for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and we'll see what it tastes like when it's done. So this is what it's looking like. It's gonna be so good. It did not say to cover it, but mine wasn't getting warm enough, fast enough, I thought, so I did put a cover on it. And I've got it on medium high, but this warmer, for whatever reason, does not. Medium high is like medium. Anyway, so I've been kind of like, you know, stirring it ever so often, but it says in about 10 minutes they'll be done. We'll see. Let them cook. And I have some sugar-free Cool Whip to go with it. It's definitely making its own juices, and I mean, for all of you out there that's made this before, then, you know, this is nothing for y'all. But if you're like me and this is your first time doing it on your own, like I said, my granny used to make this for me. But this is what I'm doing, so just gonna let it cook. And it smells so good. Y'all, I'm so sorry for my appearance, but we just got up this morning and left. I was not even gonna like fix my hair, put on makeup or anything. And then when we got home, it was like, what's the point, right? So this is as good as it gets today. But I did just like, I had this shirt, long sleeve shirt rolled up because it was so chilly this morning, but I didn't want a heavy jacket. So, and then I just had my joggers. So just extra comfy on the ride home. And we had a smooth trip home. And as soon as we got here, Mama left with Bebe. She's fighting all the sinus stuff. But let me just tell y'all, today has been night and day how I have felt this past week. And I got to give props to James. I do think it's the NyQuil. So I went and bought me, because I took the last dose last night, so I went and bought me another NyQuil cold and flu. And I'm going to take this again tonight because I'm feeling so good today. Not like I've been this week. So maybe it was a cold mixed with sinuses. I don't know. I didn't feel like I had a cold, but hey, whatever works, right? So I have some tenderness, like, you know, in my face, but nothing like I was having. Not the pressure and the pain I was having. So there you go. So I'm going to keep an eye on my apples. I will let y'all know what it tastes like. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. But if you go to Cracker Barrel and you like their fried apples, I'm hoping this is kind of like their fried apples. And then I'm going to eat it with a little bit of sugar-free Cool Whip. So that's my plan. Okay, y'all, that's what it looks like. And now I'm going to scoop it up, put me some in a bowl with a scoop of Cool Whip. So let me get that going. I let it cook about, probably about 15 minutes. And I just kind of stirred it occasionally, but you can see how some of the apples kind of fell apart, which is fine with me. And I just kind of made sure that they were soft and mushy. And now I'm going to put some in a bowl. Now I have this 0 sugar Cool Whip. still frozen. Yum. Now let me taste test it for you. Get some of that Cool Whip on there. Oh my gosh, tastes just like Cracker Barrel, y'all. So I will link in the description box the recipe I followed. I'll try to link the exact recipe that I followed. And oh my goodness, that is so good. So if you have some apples that's getting soft and going bad, I don't like real soft apples. I like my apples kind of firm. And these were kind of getting soft and going bad. So, yum. Just like Cracker Barrel. Love it. Yay. All right, y'all. I've had my bath, washed my hair. I've put up the rest of my apples. I'll clean the kitchen tomorrow. I got my NyQuil. I'm fixing to call it a night. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with us. I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.